Or maybe you've how businesses gather all data so quickly. Well, today, we are diving into web scraping data extraction. These are powerful tools that can save you hours of tedious work. And guess what? I offer services that make this super easy for you. So, if you've been looking for a way to get data into like MS SQL, SQL, Google Sheets, Excel, CSV, or JSON, you're in the right place. First, let's talk about what web scraping is. Simply put, web scraping is the process of automatically collecting information from websites. Imagine you need to gather data from hundreds of web pages. Doing it manually would take forever. That's where web scraping comes in. Now, let's discuss data extraction. Data extraction involves pulling out data from documents and databases. Whether it's a website, a PDF report, or an API, I can help you pull the data you need. This is super useful for businesses that rely on data to make informed decisions. Next, let's get into data mining. Data mining is about finding patterns and insights in large sets of data. With the right tools, we can process this data to uncover valuable information. Now that you know the basics, let's explore how this all comes together. You provide me with the requirements, and I take care of the rest. What kind of formats can I deliver? First up, MS SQL and SQL. These databases are widely used for managing large amounts of data. I can efficiently save your scraped data directly into your database. Next, there's Google Sheets. Want to keep things simple and accessible? This is a great option. I can set up automated scrapers that push data straight into your sheets. Then, we have Excel. Excel is a fantastic tool for analyzing data. You can extract data and format it neatly so you can hit the ground running with your analysis. Next, let's talk about CSV. CSV files are perfect for sharing and importing data into different applications. They're lightweight and straightforward, making them a popular choice. Finally, JSON. If you're working with APIs or web services, JSON is the way to go. This format is easy for both humans and machines to read. Now, let's break down the process step by step. Step 1 is understanding your needs. I'll discuss exactly what data you need and in which format. Step 2, I design a scraper. This is a program that tells the computer how to collect the data. Step 3, I run the scraper. During this stage, I monitor the scrape to ensure everything is working as expected. If any issues arise, I'll fix them on the fly. Step 4 is data cleaning. Once I have the data, it's crucial to clean it up by removing duplicates, filling in missing values, and formatting it correctly. Step 5 is delivering the data. Here's where I provide you with the final product in your chosen format. And that's it. Simple and effective. Let me give you a real-life example. Client once needed data from hundreds of e-commerce websites to analyze market trends. Together, we worked out what data points they needed, like product prices and customer reviews. I built a scraper to collect this information. In just a few hours, I delivered everything in an organized Excel file. They were thrilled, and it saved them weeks of work. So, whether you're a business owner, a researcher, or just someone curious about data, my services can help.